Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Chevy Trax, and on the Chevy Trax we're going to show you how you would jump start your vehicle. Say the battery is too dead and you're not able to start your vehicle. First you'll use your key to be able to get in manually, and then you can pop the hood to get access to your battery. And now we have access to the battery. We have this red cover. We're going to pop up the red cover to gain access to the battery connection, and now we can connect our positive connector up, and then we would connect the positive to the donor vehicle as well as the negative to the donor vehicle, and then we come back to our vehicle here and hook up our negative here, and we're going to find a good grounding bolt to ground it to. This is our one exposed bolt right there. And so make sure we get a good ground on this bolt. We don't connect it to the battery terminal on the vehicle that we're jumping. And so then we would give it a good 10-15 minute of charge from your other vehicle that's running, just a good idle, and then proceed to start the car. If it does start after a good 10-15, maybe a little bit longer, and then if it doesn't start after that, then you might need to look into other things, or really you just have no battery power at all to be able to have your car started by jumping it. So then when you're done, you got your vehicle started, you'll go basically in the reverse order on doing everything, and by unplugging your negative cable here, and then the other two on the other car, and then unplug your positive on this vehicle, and you'll be good to go. Get your vehicle, get home or to the repair shop, and then get yourself a new battery if you need a new battery, or if it was the fact that you just left your lights on, just make sure that you charged the battery. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.